Standard 7th, English Medium, Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 2, Multiplication and Division of Integers. Write a number in each bracket to obtain the answer 3 in each operation. -4, bracket close, equals to, bracket open, 13, equals to, bracket open, 3 plus, bracket close, plus, bracket open, 6 minus, bracket close, 3, equals to, bracket open, 4 minus, bracket close, plus 73, minus, bracket open, 5 minus, bracket close, is equal to, bracket open, 2 plus 3, minus 9, bracket close, is equal to, bracket open, 63, equal to, bracket open, 5 plus, bracket close, plus 83. Multiplication of integers. Mayuri's bicycle got punctured on the way back from school and she did not have enough money to get it repaired. Sushant, Snehal and Kalpana lent her 5 rupees each. Thus, she borrowed 15 rupees altogether and got the bicycle repaired. We show borrowed money or a debt using the minus sign. That is, Mayuri had a debt of 15 rupees or Mayuri had minus 15 rupees. We see here that minus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 15. Hence, note that minus 5 into 3 is equal to 3 into minus 5 is equal to minus 15. Of course, Mayuri paid back her debt the next day. We have learned the multiplication and division of whole numbers. We have even made tables to carry out the multiplication. Now, let us learn to multiply integers, that is, multiplication of numbers in the set that includes negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. Minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3. This addition is the addition of minus 3 taken 4 times. It equals to minus 12. It can be written as minus 3 into 4, that is minus 12. Similarly, minus 5 into 6 is equal to minus 30. Minus 7 into 2 is equal to minus 14. 8 into minus 7 is equal to minus 56. Now, let us make the table of minus 4. Minus 4 into 0 equals 0. Minus 4 into 1 equals minus 4. Minus 4 into 2 equals minus 8. Minus 4 into 3 equals minus 12. Observe the pattern here. As the multiplier of minus 4 increases by 1, the product is reduced by 4. Keeping the same pattern, if we extend the table upwards, decreasing the multiplier, this is what we will get. Minus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 8. Minus 4 into minus 1 is equal to 4. Minus 4 into 0 is equal to 0. As the multiplier of minus 4 decreases by 1 unit, the product increases by 4. The product of two positive integers is a positive integer, means positive number into positive number is equal to positive number. The product of one positive and one negative integer is a negative integer, means positive number into negative number is equal to negative number, and negative number into positive number is equal to negative number. The product of two negative integers is a positive integer. Means negative number into negative number is equal to positive number. Division of integers. We have learned how to divide one positive integer by another. We also know that the quotient of such a division may be an integer or a fraction. Example, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 6 upon 2 equals 3. 5 divided by 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 upon 3. On the number line, we can show negative integers on the left of the zero. We can show parts of integers also in the same way. The rules of division of integers are like the rules of multiplication of integers. We cannot divide any number by zero. The quotient of two positive integers is a positive number. The quotient of two negative integers is a positive number. The quotient of a positive integer and a negative integer is always a negative number. Standard 7th English Medium